Samsung was pretty much the pioneer in the foldable smartphone game, especially with the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series. But now, the foldable market is getting crowded, and not just with premium devices. There are also more affordable options out there, including the Motorola Razr, which is a big competitor. So it's no surprise that Samsung is working on a more budget-friendly flip foldable, set to drop next year. This device, dubbed the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, is expected to go head-to-head with the more affordable Motorola Razr, and some new leaks are giving us a glimpse of what to expect. A well-known source of Samsung leaks, Jukanlosriv on X, has just shared more details about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip FE and the premium Galaxy Z Flip 7. According to Jukanlosriv, the Galaxy Z Flip FE will come with the Exynos 2400E chip, the same processor powering the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. On the other hand, the more premium Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to be packed with the upcoming Exynos 2500 chip, a chip that Samsung has confirmed exists, though not much is known about it yet. Some leaks have suggested that the Z Flip 7 could use the Exynos 2400 chip instead, but Jukanlosriv says that's not the case. Now you might be wondering why Samsung would use the Exynos 2400E in its budget foldable. The answer is simple. This chip is still powerful enough for daily tasks, and we've seen it work really well in the Galaxy S24 FE. In fact, it performs just as smoothly as the standard Exynos 2400, and it could be a smart choice for the Z Flip FE if Samsung wants to keep costs down without compromising performance. As for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the news of the Exynos 2500 chip isn't all that surprising either. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 lineup will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which could mean Samsung is reserving its next-gen Exynos 2500 for its foldable devices. This also makes sense if the Exynos 2500 is facing some yield issues, as some reports have suggested. Of course, it's still early days for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and it's hard to say with certainty what direction Samsung will take. We should have more concrete information about Samsung's plans when the Galaxy S25 is unveiled in just a couple of months. So, what do you think? Would you go for the Exynos 2400E variant in the Z Flip Fan Edition, or are you more excited about the potential Exynos 2500 in the Z Flip 7? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.